Shall we begin?
Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and about a year ago I made a video talking and explaining on the concept of levels in b-boying. After that video, I get a lot of messages asking me to create a combo by using the concept of levels. So today in this video, I'll just quickly create a simple set, alright, based on the concept of the levels, and hopefully you guys can get a better idea on how levels work in b-boying. So the three moves that I'm gonna use to create the set based on the concept of levels is the first one, the monkey flip, and then we're gonna go to the knee drop, and we're gonna end it with the baby freeze. Alright, so here we go. First move, monkey flip. Okay, after I do the monkey flip, you can see my right leg is up. From here, it allows me to go to the knee drop. Alright, from the knee drop now, I'm gonna go to the baby freeze. Based on what I did just now, you can see that I already applied the concept of levels into my set. I'm starting with a monkey flip and then transit into the mid move, which is the knee drop, and then transit into a lower move, which is the baby freeze. Okay, so you can even continue from the baby freeze to the shoulder freeze or floor rocks. The whole point of making this video is to let you guys know that your set doesn't have to be static. What I did just now is a very simple stuff. I started from top to low. Some people take it even further. They started from low to high. For example, windmill to air flare, they're advanced. Alright? So now you get the idea on how levels works. Always keep in mind, always apply the levels into your set, and I can assure you that your set will be more interesting to watch. So that's about it. Subscribe, let me give you a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.